So I just got this Navara 2012, and the first thing I always used to do is to change the cabin filter. I think that's the thing that most people always forget to do, and they're always really disgusting. So I'm going to do that right away with the car, so I know that all the air I breathe is filtered, you know. So I think it's really easy. Just open the glove box, and then I'm going to press here and here and just pull it out. And when we come this far, it's a 10 millimeter hex here. Let's see if I can break that loose. No problem. This is interesting. It's like a little bit of a receipt how good taking care of the car has been. I think not even the shops do this. They always so disgusting, these filters. Sorry. There it is. Now let's see. Yeah, oh my. Have a look at this. This is so filthy. This is one of two. Let's get the other one. Here it comes. Let's see if this one is... Oh, I think it's even more dirty. Oh. This is so worth changing. It's like no money and 5 or 10 minutes of time. It's like a honeycomb of wax. I bet the AC and everything is going to work a lot better now. Here's the new ones. Seems to be the right dimension. Yeah. Carbon filters. So, in 2 more minutes I'm done. Just push them in and make sure that the airflow, you can see on these, it's marked airflow and an arrow, and that's supposed to be down. The arrow of airflow is down, and then you're good to go.